Hi, it's Martin. I recently did a laptop video on upgrading his RAM, and I didn't really show on how I got to that conclusion. Now, why do you need more RAM? Well, simple terms is the computer is, think of it as like a pie. Every program you run needs a bit of resources, needs more RAM for it to run. Um, Google Chrome which is quite popular, which most computers I know have it, takes up a lot of RAM, especially when you open loads of tabs. And if you find that your computer is running a bit slow with loads of tabs, quickest thing you can do is upgrade its RAM. This is very quickly. Now, when I upgraded the client's computer, I didn't know what type it was, or what megahertz, or how much it had, how many slots it needed. So the website I've been using for many years is ukcrucial.com. So all you have to go into is RAM upgrade scan in Google. Go into this first website, and it'll take you to here. Now you agree to the terms. This one on PC or Mac, as you can see there. So I don't know if it does Linux, but you can look into that yourself. But all you do is agree to the terms, and it'll scan your computer for you. And you'll get a program, and then you run that through your download.com. So I would have done this already. And this is my system. So it tells you your motherboard, your low to high. So mine is above average, which is good. You can easily see what's this. So on this motherboard, it tells you the max you can put in is 128 gigs of RAM. Now it tells you there's 4 slots open, 2 slots has got 216 gigs. I should know that because I'm the one who put it in. So, and what it also tells you, so there you go. There's a 216 gigs of 32 spare made by Corsair, and it's got 2 spare open. Now, what it also does if you need a SSD in it, which is something I should buy into, should get from a computer, but we're concentrating on RAM at the moment. So it tells you your storage, system notes about the scan, upgrade advice if you're not confident enough. What it also tells you what kit is good for your computer. So all you have to do is, there's one there. All you do is, now I know for a fact this one will run on my computer. Now if you don't want to make a buy from this website, all you have to do is copy it. We've all got Amazon. It's one website where it's making the most profit this year because of the pandemic. But this is a website that everybody uses for online shopping. All you do is copy that and paste, and there you go. So that if I buy that, that'll run on my computer. So this is just a very quick tutorial on how to upgrade your RAM, and you'll find a big improvement, very big improvement. Links will be in the description of the website, and please, I'll see you in the next video.